Chris Jings, Mason Road Sheet Metal. I'm the owner, and we're in Houston, Texas. So our main business is HVAC ductwork. We're fabrication only. We don't install, and probably 85% of our work comes from the mechanical contractors in Houston, Texas. We did a little over 11 million pounds last year. We're on schedule to do right around 11 to 12 million pounds this year. We have 2 full lines and 1 half line. The 2 full lines are running straight duct, 5 foot mainly, either insulated, non-insulated. The front end is just running sheets, which feeds 5 plasma cutters. These coil lines are usually about 60% of our work is straight duct, which means that coil line has been running, somewhere in the 5 to 6 million pounds for the last 9 years. Our line, we try to get a new line every 10 years. So when we got this one, we were moving into the building, ran it for about 9 years. We're getting to the point now where we're either having to work 24 hours a day, can't get enough steel out the door. So we started looking at getting a new line. Plus the fact of we have backup. As many pounds as we run through a piece of our equipment, something is breaking all the time. In our world, fabrication only, we have 200 customers that come in and out of here. We have 200 customers buying a product that expect everything to be perfect. No wear on the equipment, everything's brand new. It's got to produce 100% quality product. So every 10 years we've decided, now whether or not that's a real number, a lot of people get a lot more years out of the machine, but I'm not willing to take that chance with the equipment wearing down, starting to repair it, us being shut down, things like that. Well, this is our 3rd Engel coil line, and we have always been impressed with the way the lock forming equipment. It's always a true lock, always clean. It produces a great product off the end. We're fairly demanding. We're going to be asking for something. The same thing our customers are asking from us, we're asking from every one of our vendors, whether it's a machinery vendor, a steel vendor, an insulation vendor, whatever that means, they better be there, or I'm going to have to find somebody that can be. And Mestek has always been there. They're all pretty excited about it, not having to work 15, 16 hours this summer because they know it's coming. In August, they were pushing anywhere minimum 12 to 13, maximum 15 to 16 hours a day to try to produce enough steel last year at this point. So they're pretty excited about only working 10 and 12 hours a day. The money in a sheet metal fabrication only shop like this is coming off the coil line. The more I can produce on that coil line, the better. Hence the option for this grease duct, the welded duct option. We probably ran 10,000 pounds of stainless steel through the machine in one day, so that's cutting, notching, breaking, which would have taken me 4 days a month ago to do the same amount of pounds with probably more people. So right there, that's been a huge change for us with a new line. Impossible to do the amount of pounds it's not going to happen without the coil line.
So the compact tube makes you money?
Sure.